very long time, I think.
Yeah. So how are you?
I'm great, fit as fiddle. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you. So how is everything going?
Yeah, everything is good going on.
And
Yes.
what about your YouTube journey?
Look like you.
Yeah, it is going well. Yeah,
Maybe
I'm just working on that.
you are working, you are doing so much hard work. I see your videos and I visited in your videos also. I visit also there sometime.
Mhm.
Yes. Yeah, you are doing so many things there and hard work there is really. I know what is this means. How is there hard work means really hard working you are doing. That's
Yeah,
great.
thank you.
Mm. How is now? How is experience now? You are speaking so many people, different. So those are elder, those are younger. How is experience?
Yeah, so yeah, I have seen that so many changes in myself. Like I'm talking with other person, different person. So in the beginning, I was like not getting the confidence. Whenever I have the meeting or any conversation with the person, so I just feel nervous how I would speak. But now I'm little bit comfortable. And yeah, it is improving day by day, so definitely it is helpful. And yeah, if we are talking with the different person, so we are getting a lot of different things. And some people are from different city or different countries, so they talk about their city and country, so we get to know about different cities and countries also, their culture, their so many things.
Yes. So one question, then we are going to we will get going to a topic. One question I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, I will ask after. I forgot. I think.
Okay, no issues.
No,
So
no. Yes. I remember immediately. I think now you forgot your mathematics. I think because I think nowadays only focus in English
no,
because you like mathematics.
yes, yes, but I left those things because in I'm working and I'm not too much touch with the mathematics as of now because we are working and I'm not reading again and I need to recall everything again. So that's why I left this idea. And yeah, English is necessary for my job also. So I thought I should continue English only.
Yes, that's great. That's great. Yes. Okay, so yes. So I think we are second or third time. The third time I think, no?
Yeah, it's third time. Yeah. So you are also talking with the different person. So how is your experience? So have you seen any difference in yourself?
Yes. I like actually. I'm practicing there. So yeah, and difference means yes, my English little bit increase. Yeah, because increase. But now my grammar also here and there yet. I don't know,
Yeah.
but I'm doing. I'm practicing. I will be after a few months. Definitely, I will
So
be.
are you using any platform to like getting the feedback and how you have to improve something kind of thing?
Have been using one application, Hybro application, but now I think last 15 days, last 1 month, I'm not. What can I say? I'm not using every day. Sometimes
Okay.
when I get time, so yeah.
Mhm. Because sometimes it happens that I'm talking with you and you are talking with me, but I'm not pointing out your mistakes and you are not mine. So sometimes I feel like that it should be any platform or something where anyone can point out my mistakes. So that's why I
Okay.
asked.
Yes. Why? Yes. I want to tell you. In
Mhm.
Hybro application, there is a new method going on. Means new. What can I say? New topic, not topic. New function going on there is. So
Mhm.
there is in the Hebrew application there downstairs. There you want to talk to any expert. So you can paid fees there. How
Mhm.
many minutes you want. So this minute related paid fees. Okay.
It
So
is
there
kind
is
of like I had used Clapingo, I think. So it is kind of same application.
yeah, yes, I think, yes, same. But there is not started yet. Video call recording, video call option available, not started. I don't know now started because last 15 days ago that method came. That yeah option. And there is means I try because I wanted to let's go and what is happening there, what is the going on. So I want to see. So that's
Yeah.
why there's I paid fees 120 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had no idea. So then I just tried. So there only there is I think 30 minutes available. So
Mm-hmm.
so I just tried. So one person there available, one tutor available,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
he taught me there. So two or three time I use that application, and then my minute and my money I think finished. So that's why now I'm unable to attend that call. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I also use Clapingo, but it is quite expensive, and now the price is increased. And I have seen that for only 15 minutes, you have to pay around 500. So it is too costly, I think.
Oh, then eyebrow application I think good. But
Yeah.
I asked her, sir, how to their record.
Mm-hmm.
So then sir told me, no, nowadays not started, but you want to, so you can download screen record and you can try that thing, screen record. Because I
Okay.
had no idea, so that's why he told me. You can
Okay.
do, yeah. So there is nice actually, 30 minutes and 120 rupees.
That
This is
is quite good, but in Clapingo, that is huge.
how many minutes and how many rupees. Their options means they're noted down there. You can
Mm-hmm.
choose and you can try there. Which for 420, I think some, and middle one. Yeah, you can try.
Yeah.
I try
Yeah.
next month. Not now. Because
Okay.
now already I used 120 rupees and monthly I'm using 85 rupees there I paid fees, so monthly that option. But 85 rupees I'm paid fees, there is no one tutor who one corrected me,
Okay.
rectified me, no one there, only you talk to anyone. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it is okay.
This application is any application is that application is very less, means very less fee there, and
Mm-hmm.
there is available, so I would like to join there. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I haven't listened, or I can say I haven't heard about much like this application. So that's why Clappingo I have heard so many times, and YouTube also I have seen so many videos of different people. So that's why I joined that.
You can try Hypro. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will ask sir, and
Mm-hmm.
sir, she told me, means there is a that start that record. Then you can try because this is thing is good. Clappingo and Cambly is a very expensive, no?
Yeah. Right. Okay. So do you have any topic to discuss?
Yes, 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 yes. I have. Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm.
Hypothetical. There, yeah, hypothetical. So you have any idea? So you can explain. Then I
So
will
it
also.
it kind of situation that is imaginary situation. So what would you do in that situation? It can be any question. Like if I'll ask you any question, if in future if you were this person, or if you are in a particular place or something, so what would you do? So this is kind of hypothetical situation. So if I'll ask you one question, like uh, what would you do if you won a lottery of 1 crore rupees?
Yes, actually, this yeah, this topic I like also, and this question also I like. Yes, and actually I got a lottery. So my one of the big dream I would like to complete that dream. That
Okay.
dream is I when I got that lottery. So first of all I will like to I would like to what can I say, build up one company, or yeah, one company,
Mhm.
any kind of company, I don't know, any
Hmm.
business. But
Yeah.
that business there I would like to provide who's needy people. I would like to give them their job also.
Okay.
And then after that, company, that business, my that business will be good going on. So then after, I would like to, uh, yeah, after that, then I earn money, and then after that, I would like to help them who is needy person. Means
Okay.
those person, they have a no any body part, so I would like to visit there, where those are people staying. I would like to visit there, and I would like to what is happening, what is going on there. Everything I would like to, um, see there, and which kind of I will do. I will do help. I will help them. Which kind of I will help them.
Mhm.
So I would like to do that thing. Yes, this is actually my dream. I don't know
Okay,
when
that's really great.
completed, but yeah, my brain actually. So I would like to first of all do this thing. Yes.
Yeah, that's great. Sorry.
What about you?
Okay, so yeah, I want to do lot of things. If I'll get the 1 crore rupees, it is a huge number for me. And yeah, I have so many dreams. Like I want to make my parents happy. So firstly, I want to gift a big apartment to them because it's my dream. And I'm working on that, but I don't have enough money, I can say. But yeah, I'm trying and saving for that. But if I'll get the lottery, so definitely I will help my parents in this way. And yes, and also I want to invest those money so I can get the return in future. Because if I'll spend all the money in now in present, so in future there is no I won't get the money. So definitely I want to spend in some of the good thing, like I can get the return and I can get extra money in my future.
Hmm.
Yeah, and yes, and I also want to help the needy person. So I want to start any kind of NGO, so I can help them. Yeah, so firstly, I want to help my parents. Then I want to spend some of the money in investment, and also I want to fulfill my dreams. Also, like I want to visit abroad. So now I am not. Yeah, I'm capable, but I don't have enough money. So that's why I'm not able to do so. So definitely, if I'll get the money, so I want to go international trip. So yeah, I want to do this kind of thing.
That's it. That's it. And definitely, you want to help your parents because you are alone, and so definitely you want. Yeah, I want also, but now I'm 41 years old. Now you are younger. Now I'm
Yes.
41 years old. So my parents, they have a means there is my brother and two brother there. So there is no need. But I would like to help them also and myself also. But first of all, my dream is big dream. Yeah, I want to do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great actually.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
which kind of okay? Okay. So one day you means you means there is what can I say? You are visible, invisible.
invisible.
Oh, sorry, invisible. So one day you are invisible. So what will you do? One day only.
Okay, so yeah, actually, I want to do some of the things which I cannot do as of now. Like, I want to visit some of the restricted areas, like PM house or CM house, where I can't go as of now. So I want to visit there. I want to see their home, and I want to roam around their home. So definitely, I want to do this. Because now we are not getting that kind of permission to visit there, so I want to do so. And yeah, definitely, if in one day if I can go abroad or visit, like I can use flight to visit there, so definitely I will do. And yeah, actually, yeah, I want to visit some of the expensive restaurant. So I want to go there.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. Okay, so talk about my side.
Mhm.
So my side, first of all, I would like to go mall.
Mhm.
Okay, mall, and there actually I like so much clothes, different kind of clothes.
Mhm.
Sometimes that clothes I don't like, means I do not wear, but
Mhm.
that clothes I will like so much. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I would like to search there and see there that thing, and which I like. And I actually always I take not myself. Everyone means my daughter and who's so I would like to shopping there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to only that thing, new purchase new clothes and different kind of, yeah. Who's I wear, who's my family members, those are like that thing I would like to purchase,
Mhm.
give, but yeah, invisible, no. So how can I purchase? So I would like to give that, yeah.
Mhm.
And second thing is I would like to go where national park, and I would like to in forest. So there I would like to in forest, actually, forest area is very nice, and you go to hillside
Mhm.
area, there is forest. So that
Mhm.
place is so much like, so I would like to go there, and any animals there available, and in reality I do not touch that animal. So I would
Yeah.
like to touch those, yeah, animals, and birds also different kind of bird, and anywhere I want to go, whole world, go there, and I want to touch bird and animals, and I would like to enjoy
Mhm.
that forest area. Yes, that thing
This
I
is
would.
quite interesting. Yeah. Okay, so do you want to travel anyone in your family or your friends or anyone? Do you want to travel them? Uh, if you are invisible and they cannot see you, so you can do anything. You can travel them. So do you want to do this?
Sorry, but what is trouble means?
Uh,
I know, but I don't know meaning.
in Hindi we can say परेशान करना.
Oh, Parishan, no, no, no. No, no, I'm not. Oh, there were kids who I definitely I
You want
will
to do some kind of prank on them.
prank. No, no, but I would like there were means I would like to they those are children small, and I my bonding is there good, and actually all children there my bonding good. But I would like to trouble my children and any children there anywhere. So I would like to trouble them. Yes, children.
Yeah,
I,
because
children mostly means 5 years to 5 years to 20-25 years. Yeah,
hmm,
yeah, that I would like. Yes,
yeah, that's
this thing.
yeah,
Yes.
that would be very funny because they cannot see you, and for example, they are using their phone, and you can snatch their phone, and they will think like that. Where is my phone, and who is using my phone? Something kind of thing. So we can trouble trouble them.
Yes. And I am actually funny person also, so I would like to fun always. So definitely I will do this thing. Yes,
Yeah, that is great.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Oh, well, there I want to go to school. So one.
okay,
Okay.
okay. We can wind up. Thank you so much.